In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open docs in Proton Mail. By the end, you'll confidently move from your inbox into Proton's built-in document tools so you can start writing or working with spreadsheets without leaving the Proton ecosystem. First, open Proton Mail in your web browser and make sure you're viewing your inbox. Everything we need is available right from this page, so there's no separate site to memorize. Take a look at the top left area of the screen. This is where Proton keeps quick access to all of its services. There, you'll see the Proton application icon, sometimes shown as a small grid, or the Proton logo. That icon is an app switcher. When you click it, a menu appears with shortcuts to other Proton apps. This keeps your workflow secure and streamlined because you're moving within the same encrypted environment. Go ahead and click that application icon. A panel will open showing options like Mail, Calendar, Drive, and importantly for us, Docs. This menu may overlay your inbox or open as a compact dropdown depending on your window size. If you don't spot it immediately, hover near the top left and look for the compact grid. Next, click on Docs. Proton will take you straight into its document hub. It may open in the same tab or a new one, but either way, you're now inside Docs. You should see a clean dashboard with your recent files and a simple toolbar. This space is designed to feel familiar, so if you've used other online editors, the layout will make sense right away. From here, you can start something new. If your goal is to write notes, reports, or drafts, choose to create a new document. Click New Document, and a blank page opens with a formatting toolbar for headings, bold, lists, and more. Your work saves as you type, so you don't have to worry about losing progress. If you're planning to organize data, track numbers, or run calculations, you can choose a spreadsheet instead. Click New Spreadsheet and you'll see a grid with rows, columns, and a formula bar. It supports common functions and sorting, giving you the structure you need for budgets, logs, or simple analysis. That's all there is to it. Open Proton Mail, use the application icon at the top left to access the app menu, select Docs, and then start a new document or a new spreadsheet based on what you need. Keep this flow in mind and you'll switch from email to documents in seconds, all within Proton's private, secure workspace.